What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna have like a brand new pair of Bluetooth headphones with active noise cancellation. Now these are the Hurricane 2nd generation, the H2 from Bluedio. I'm really excited to check these out. And this is going to be a great option for those who have a small budget between $30 to $40. Now I'll drop a link down below in the description like always where you guys can check these out. These are going to cost approximately $33 from AliExpress. And this is going to be a great affordable price, or from Amazon for approximately $38, and then you can add an extra coupon. Now the Bluedio H2 headphones are going to be a really great budget headset that you can get for listening to music, watching YouTube videos and movies and etc. And this is going to come with many great features. First of all, it does have Bluetooth 5.0. Battery is going to last approximately 40 hours without any active noise cancellation turned on. With active noise cancellation turned on, battery is going to last approximately 30 hours. And we got some specification right here. As you can tell, Bluetooth range is going to be approximately 10 meters, which is still pretty good. The active noise cancellation from the Bluedio H2 is going to reduce about 20 decibels from your surroundings, so that is actually pretty decent for a budget headphones that cost about $30. So shipping time is pretty quick, takes about 2 to 4 weeks. If you buy it from Amazon, it might take 1 to 2 weeks or so it's pretty good. So here are the Hurricane 2nd gen from Bluedio. As you can tell, it does come in this nice box. First of all, on the top of the box we do have the representation of the headphones itself, the brand, the generation of the headset, and then at the bottom, once again on the side, we're going to have some specification of the product. Once again, it tells you that it is Bluetooth 5.0. It does have all the specifications that I've talked about on the side, and then on the back it tells you all the little specification, all the features of the overview of the headset. And then on the bottom we have all the contact information and support, and that's it. So the box is sealed in a little sticker, and after that you can actually open the box from the top. And the first thing you'll see once you open the box is the headset itself. In the middle right here it says Bluedio stereo headset accessories, but it actually comes first wrapped like in a little plastic from being scratched during shipping, so it does protect the headphones. So let's take that off, and there's nothing else in the box. So let's take out this plastic cover, and here are going to be the headphones itself, the Bluedio H2. We got the brand on the side, and then once again on the right side. Now we do have the slide control on the right side. They're not actual physical button. I do prefer it that way. And here are the headphones themselves. Now let's have a look at the accessories. As you can tell, Bluedio stereo headset accessories. Also in this big box, what do we get inside here? First thing we see is the charging cable. You can tell it is a USB-C fast charging cable adapter, USB-C to USB-A. I do appreciate Bluedio for sending a long cable. I think it's about 1 meter long. I've seen a lot of charging cables that are only about 10 centimeter long, so I appreciate Bluedio for doing that. We will have a USB-C to 3.5 millimeter jack. So if you're out of juice, there's no more battery in the headsets, you can actually plug this into headphone and then plug this to your computer, to your phone, and keep using it. And then in the box we are going to have this little accessories for those who go on an airplane on vacations. You can have this little adapter. And finally, we're going to have the user manual, which have different languages right here. It has a total of 12 languages that teaches you how to use the headset. So here are the Hurricane 2nd generation headphones from Bluedio. Let's have a closer look at them. So on the left side, once again, we've got the Bluedio brand. And then on the right side, we've got the Bluedio once again. You can slide to the right to switch the songs, swipe to the left to go to the previous song, increase the volume by sliding up, decrease the volume by sliding down. On our right side we can see that we got a spot for a micro SD card, so you can basically download music online from a computer, plug in your micro SD card from the headset and listen to music from there without having your phone with you. So that is pretty cool, a great feature to have. Other than that, we do have the power on button, and here is the active noise cancellation button. One thing I really like about this headphone is that you're not obliged to be connected to your phone and listen to the music at the same time to be able to use the active noise cancellation feature. So right now that the headphone is turned off, as you can tell if I turn it on, there's an actually LED that is searching for a Bluetooth device, and this is the active noise cancellation button. If I turn it on, you can see we got a green LED. That means that noise cancellation is working, and this could last up to 50 hours. Then on the bottom we've got this little button. This is to pause your music, to answer phone calls. You can also use this button to switch between Bluetooth and MP3. So if you do use a micro SD card, you can switch to Bluetooth or MP3 player and play music from there. USB-C jack, which acts as a charging port. We've got the microphone right here to make phone calls. On each side of the headphones, I can see that we've got this little grill, the left side and the right side. I believe this acts as microphones for the active noise cancellation to block out the noise. The ear cups themselves are really comfortable. It has a really great material, and on the top of the headband we've got the Hurricane H2, and it also feels really comfortable. We got the left and the right indicator on each side. As for the build quality of this budget ANC headphones, it feels pretty good. It is made of completely plastic right here. It does not feel cheap at all, and here is actually made of metal. I'm not sure if it's made of aluminum, which you can adjust the size as you wish to whatever you want on both sides, as you can tell. So this is going to be the max size, and that's the minimum size of the headset. Really flexible, green material right here. We got like a little mesh. Right now it's gonna be the time where I connect the Bluedio H2 to my iPhone. Now before you comment below in this video and ask me if this is going to work on iPhone or on Android devices, I can tell you right away that it will work on both ecosystems. Unlike the AirPods Pros and the Samsung earbuds, you're not going to get any pop-up animation. So like standard Bluetooth earbuds and headphones, you have to go to the Bluetooth settings. So like always, all you have to do is simply turn on the device, and then you're going to see some blue and red LED, which means that you're in pairing mode. All you have to do right now is simply go to the Bluetooth settings and then scroll down, and you'll be able to see that we've got the H2 device. Simply tap right here and then it's going to connect. So after a few seconds, you'll see that the H2 headphones will be connected to your device. Now if you do go to the eye information, you can actually change the name to whatever you want. And if you do go back to the home screen, you can actually see the battery percentage on the headset, which is approximately 75%. And if you do go right here, more accurately, it's about 70%. So right now I'm going to test out the sound quality of this headphone and see how good it is going to be. Now one thing to pay attention about these headphones, one thing I like about these is that this is going to have ear detections. So if I do remove the headset, it's going to pause the music, and if I do put it back on, it is going to play. So it is very good for those who are working out, and if someone talks to you, you simply remove your headset and the music will pause right away instead of continuing playing. So let's test out the sound quality. I'm going to put the headset over my head, and these are going to be very comfortable over-ear headsets. Now let's see how good these are going to be. Let's start the music. So yeah, the H2 headphones are definitely really great sound quality. They have a lot of bass, a lot of clarity, especially when it comes to the vocals. I also have another great pair of budget headphones called the Vacuo C750. Those are going to have a lot of bass. Compared to these are also going to have decent bass, better than average, but it's most focused on the clarity of the vocals, which is maybe something that you may like. If some of you guys want to focus more on the bass, some guys want to focus more on the bass and on the clarity of the vocals. It really depends on your preference. So right now I'm going to test out the ear detections of these headphones and see if it's going to work or not. So I'm going to put it over my head, and then as you can see, the music is playing. Remove it. Let's pause, put it back in my head. It's playing once again, removed. It's paused. As you can see, ear detections are working perfectly fine, really smooth. It's going to be really good if someone disturbs you while you work out. Simply remove the headphones and then the music will pause. A great feature that some headphones don't have, and it's really great to see this feature to appear in a headphones that cost less than $40. Now when it comes to the control of the headphones, it's really simple. To increase the volume, all you have to do is simply slide up, as you can see, and then to decrease the volume, all you have to do is simply slide down. To skip songs, all you have to do is simply slide to the right to skip to the next song, and then to go back to the previous song, all you have to do is simply slide to the left side. As you can see, it works perfectly. What's up guys, this is the microphone test of the Bluedio H2 ANC headphones. Now the audio they're listening right now is a completely raw audio, unedited, that you're going to hear when you're making a phone call or if you were in a Zoom call. As for the headphones themselves, you feel very comfortable. The air cuffs are really nice, and as for the fit, they also are really good. Now I did try shaking my head really hard. I tried working out with them once and they're not falling off of my head. So these are going to be really great for comfort and also great fit. To play or pause the music that you're listening to or the video they're watching, all you have to do is simply tap once on the buttons on the side. And as you can see, it plays. Once again, it paused. One last thing I want to test out is the active noise cancellation on these headphones. I want to see if it actually works or not. I'm going to test that with music on, and then I'm going to test that without the music on. I'm going to see how strong the active noise cancellation effect's going to be. So let's going to test these out. We're going to put the headphones on. To turn on the active noise cancellation, simply slide up right here. There's a physical button. You see the green LED. That means the ANC is turned on. So I'm going to turn it off right now, put it on my head, and then turn it on and see if there's a difference at all. Now that I'm turning on, I can hear like a white noise cancellation coming from the headphones. It is definitely blocking some of the surrounding noise. It does do a great job at canceling some of the low frequency noise like the AC, the train, the machines. So right now I'm going to play the music. I'm going to increase the volume. It's blocking my surrounding sound that's around me. When I turn off the active noise cancellation, I can hear more of my surrounding sound. Overall, I do think that these are amazing Bluetooth headphones with great active noise cancellation. It's going to be a great option out there for those who have a small budget between $30 to $40. It is amazing quality, great plastic quality. It has a great decent weight and amazing battery life definitely on these headphones. I personally think that you're getting what you're paying for. You're getting great sound quality, a great Bluetooth headset that you can use for gaming, listening to YouTube videos, watching movies, or even listening to music, going to the gym, working out, going for a jog. Now, obviously, if you're comparing these to the $200, the Sony XM4, the AirPods Max, obviously these are not going to be as good. But you know, if you do bring these to the gym and you accidentally forget these and someone takes them, you lose them, you can simply buy a new one and you're still going to save a lot of money. But yeah, overall, these are going to be a great headphones, and if you guys are interested, once again, I'll drop a link down in the description where you guys can check these out. For around $30, these are going to be a great budget option for those who want to have a wireless Bluetooth headphones with active noise cancellation, which works pretty well. And this is going to be a great option for those who, you know, want to go for a jog, workout, and things like that. Very comfortable AirPads, really comfortable headbands. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Other than that, give a big thumbs up to it and comment below if you got any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.